think I'm ready now. Alright, today we're going to talk about a Smallrig, the universal iPhone, or I guess a universal phone cage. I got this because I'm tired of upgrading and basically throwing away old cases and old accessories every time I upgrade my phone from the 11 Pro to the 12 Pro to now the 14 Pro. So I got a cage that will fit all phones forever, basically. So that's what came in this case, and I'm very happy with it. If you stay to the end, I've got a little hack. I found a small accessory that's really nice for if you're doing a lot of filming with your iPhone. So stick around and I'll have that for you at the end. So today we're going to put this together and I will show you what it can do. It comes in a nice case. You get this, which will fit anything. It adjusts here. You can see this turning, so you can put a very large phone in here. So you got room for some accessories, and on this side you got another pouch. You've got your hex keys to adjust. It comes with a small desktop tripod, which is nice. You want to use it on your desktop. Seems a little low for me, but it's stable and usable. And if you have something light on it like this, I think you could also use it like this. It's heavy metal, so it's nicely done. Just a little small maybe, but anyway, it comes with it. So these are the handles. They're in here, and cold shoe mounts on both. This one on the right side has your shutter release for you can use it. USB-C charging port here to charge the battery in it. This works great with the video that's in the iPhone, the basic iOS video application. I like using Filmic Pro, and it does not work with Filmic Pro. It tries to adjust the volume, and I emailed them about it, and there's some type of a software conflict, and they're trying to resolve it, but at least for now, it will not work with Filmic Pro. So if you like that. Also comes with a small adapter that you can put your charging in, so you can mount this. This one's too small, but it will adapt to the very big ones, the like 26,000. Well, this is a bigger one. This width, it will do this, like this. So I'll show you that here in a second. Let me unwind this some. Basically, it cranks and cranks, and it does. We'll fast forward. So you can see it'll hold this just fine, and I'll show you how we attach that here in a minute. And that's it. So let's put this back, and then let's take this, and then your phone here, when you're holding it, it will be facing the viewer so that you have your full screen behind it. So you take your phone, you put it in here. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the clamp here and here is not on your controls. So you can see control, you don't want it clamped down, so just put it over far enough that it's not on it. Turn this down, holds it in there, nice. Alright, now we'll put the right handle on. There's 3 screws here, there's 3 screws here, 3 screws here, and 3 here. So you can mount it for horizontal use, or you could use it in vertical mode if you were doing that. The handles will work either way, and you still have your other mounting points. You have 4 cold shoe mounts on it, one at the tops and bottoms, or if you had it this way, tops and bottoms, either way. So we're going to go this route. This will be the right side. I'm going to this time I'm just going to screw it right into the middle. And there's a small groove you can see in between the screws, and it has 2 little bitty mounting pins so that it won't just keep turning. So that's that. We'll mount the other side. we've got small rigs for our Insta360, the GoPro, this, and then I've also got the small rig for the Lumix S5 Mark II, which I'm finally using to film this. So first video with the new camera. So you got your handles, that's nice. Then if you want to do this, there's a couple of ways to do it. It can be mounted here, so it would hang down like this. You can put it up like this. Or you could even put it like this. And I haven't decided which way, let me turn it this way. I haven't decided which way I like it best. But for now, let's put it here facing down. So with that, we're going to need one of our hex keys. And this one, these are pretty tight in here. You can see here, a little bit tight. And don't tighten them down, one of them down all the way until you actually have finished getting them both started and almost tight. And then they'll turn easier. Okay? So we're going to tighten these down just a slight bit. I really like the Smallrig stuff. It's well made. I think these things will last forever. And it's unfortunate that so many things have to be form-fitted to each camera model, so that every time you do it you have to replace it. But at least with this iPhone one, you don't have to. Alright, so we've got that on there. So then we can mount this in here. Mount it over this way. We'll just tighten it up. And I think, for me, possibly, I might like to mount it on the bottom so that it's flat, so that you could basically sit it down, and this would be resting like this, and it would just sit there. But you can do it this way as well. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to mount our microphone. So we're going to put that over here. Alright, so now we're up to microphone. Need more coffee. Even though it's 6:30 at night, I'm drinking energy drink. Fortunately, I can just go to sleep afterwards. So I got this. I can put my light here. I could put my light here. Or I could put my light over here. Even underneath here. So I think for this purpose, we're going to mount it here. Just to show you how that it would all look together. It's a pretty big rig with your phone, but there's room for you to mount other accessory lenses and things like that over in here. They're not going to interfere with anything, so it's very functional. So you've got this. Now then, here's the thing I told you about that I wanted to show you at the end here. When you have your battery pack, you're going to want to plug it into your phone. Let's say you're shooting a movie, like we're going to shoot a movie short at the Ohio State Reformatory, where they shot Shawshank Redemption. So we're going to be using it for 3 or 4 hours off and on to shoot that. So we're going to want to keep the phone charged. If I want to plug the microphone into the phone, I can't do both. But I found this on the Apple website, and I ordered it. Actually, it's Belkin, but I ordered it off Amazon. I think it was about $10 cheaper. And it's lightning on one end, lightning input, and a microphone jack input here. So it's, I believe, TRRS. And you can take this, plug it into your phone. Okay. And then decide, which side you want it on. Do you want it down? Whatever. Maybe keep it on the side here. Plug microphone in. And I'm not doing very much cable manage, but here you could work that out. And then over here, you plug in the cord from the battery pack from here to the other port. And now your microphone works, your phone is being charged all at the same time. So you have basically a complete rig. I think I probably would put a clip or something and hold it just like that. so that it's there, or you could wind it through here to keep it in place, but that would be up to you. So now you have a complete rig. This is pretty nice. This is the view from the back, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's the Smallrig universal phone mount with 2 hand grips and the battery pack accessory. And don't forget the Belkin item. I'll leave a link to this on Amazon. I'm not an affiliate or anything, but it's just a link so you can find it. I don't make anything off of it. So that's it. Really happy with this, and I love the case that it came with. Very durable. It's kind of a hard case, so it'll take good care of it. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.